Here is what your box is going to look like when you buy your Bose QC25s. Mine looks a little bit old because I bought it back in late 2016. So a few years on, it's got some scuffs, it's got some dents, but all in all, it's still good. And the best part about this case is that it's kept my headphones completely protected as I've traveled around the world, 4 different continents, 12 different countries, and these are still working just as well as they did on day one. So let's just go through this real quick and let me show you what you get. There's a little pack on the back here, but in this case, it's easy to unzip just like that. Pops right open, and here you have your headphones. It also comes with your cord, of course. There is a adapter for when you get onto airplanes. It just pops open like that. And there's also a holder right here for batteries. Now, as I get into this product, I'll let you know what the batteries are for, but I recommend these EBL 1100 batteries. They're rechargeable, they're not very expensive, and they work really well. And they last a long time too. So here are the headphones themselves. You can see they can stretch out very well. They have these adjustable modes on them like that. So that is for a very large head. You can see that goes up even above my hat. That is gigantic. I actually can take these all the way down to the bottom and still use them. This is the smallest setting for them right there, and it fits perfectly for me. Sometimes I'll pop it up if I'm wearing a hat just to make it a little bit more comfortable. Speaking of comfort, you'll see this squishy piece right here. Even years later, it's still squishy and still working really well for me. It comes with these ear pads. Now, they're really comfortable. They go up and over top of the ear, which is why I actually bought these. I cannot stand headphones that press down on my ears. You can tell they kind of stick out a little bit. So anything that puts pressure on that, within like 30 minutes even, my ears just start hurting really bad. Having these types of headphones that go over top of the ear and don't press down on my ears was really key. Now, these headphones are super comfortable and squishy. One big difference that you'll notice about the Bose QC25 compared to other Bose products is that they need to be plugged in. Now, that means that they don't need to charge, like the Bose QC35, for example. You need to have them charged before you can use them. These will work without a charge, thankfully. Now, as for the battery that I was talking about, that pops in right here. You'll see that little thing right there. Battery pops out. Boom, another one of the EBL rechargeable batteries. I can put that right back in like that and close it up. And then to turn on the noise canceling feature is just swiping that forward, swiping it back to turn it off. Really easy to use. And speaking of the noise canceling feature, let's get into that because I think it's really important and why I like these headphones so much. The first thing that I bought these for was when I first started working online, I was transcribing audio, so basically making the captions that you see for videos like these, and I needed something that gave me crystal clear sound quality without letting any other noise come in and distracting me while I was working. I tested out the Bose QC25s, these ones, and the Bose QC35s in the store, and I saw almost no difference between them. So why did I pick these ones? Well, these are about 100 grams lighter, so when I have them on my head like this for 8 or 10 hours straight, it reduces significantly the neck strain of having a heavy pair of headphones. So I went for the lightest version I could get of the Bose noise canceling headphones. They also work really well on airplanes. Whenever I'm taking off, the moment I put on that noise canceling device like that, I cannot hear the engines at all. And I've literally been on so many flights sitting right next to the wing, right next to the turbines, and once I flick that on, can't even hear it anymore. And I've taken these off and compared it to the airline headphones, and it's a night and day. You cannot hear anything while you're watching a show with the airline's headphones. You put these on and you're getting crystal clear sound quality even on an airplane. Walking down the road, I really like them because their noise canceling feature does a really good job at blocking out those low rumbling sounds like the airplane turbine or engines driving by, but it lets through the high-pitched sounds. So for example, if I was walking across the street, I might not hear a truck coming at me, but I would hear its horn when they blast it. So that's what I really enjoy about it, is that it blocks out all the low, rumbling, annoying stuff, but lets you hear some things that might be indicators of danger or something that you might need to actually listen for while you're out and about. While I'm in the house, that means that I can get my work done while my daughter's here. She's 6 years old, but that if she needs something from me and I hear her scream in her high-pitched scream, it's not going to block out that sound. I'm still going to be able to hear it just enough that I can take off my headphones and say, "What, honey?" I think these are awesome for entertainment. I don't watch a lot of TV and a lot of movies because I just don't have the time for it anymore these days. But when I do, I really enjoy putting these headphones on because they give you the whole surround sound feel. So for example, if I'm watching something like The Walking Dead with these, then as someone's going through the forest, you can hear the branches snap behind you as the zombies start chasing you. If you're in the market for these noise canceling headphones, you know that they're already expensive. So you're probably wondering, are they going to last me? As I've already indicated, I bought these back in late 2016. They've never failed me. They've worked perfectly for the past 3+ years, and I would definitely recommend the purchase again. But most importantly is that these have not been taken care of very well. I exercise in them, I run around in them, they've gone all over the world with me, and you can even see here, like see that big chunk taken out of it right there. I probably got some more in there somewhere. Some more scratches and dings and stuff. That's just from exercising and like slamming it against a bar or something like that. Doing pull-ups like this, going up side to side and like slammed it on the ear and stuff. So even after pretty significant beatings that this has taken, it's still a really quality system and works perfectly for me. Moreover, you know that there are more updated versions of systems like this, even in the Bose line. There's the Bose QC25s, the Series 2 of the QC35s, the Bose 700s. So why would you want to go with something like this? For starters, you can get this right now on Amazon for less than $150. I know that they sometimes do sales on them. I've seen them for $130 roughly. I think during a Black Friday deal, they got down to $109, but even at $149, they're still a great deal compared to the QC35 Series 2, which is currently running for about $349, $200 more, and the Bose 700, which is going for $399. If you're trying to decide between the QC25 and the QC35 because you want something wireless, I've already done another video about how to make these wireless for about $30. You can check that out right here, and I'll link down to it in the description box. So in total, you could get these for about $150, add on the wireless adapter for about $30. So for less than $200, you could have a product that is just as good as the best products on the market today for almost twice the cost. So lastly for this video, let me just show you how easy it is to take care of these. You can just twist them, fold them up, place them into your box like this, and there you go, they're ready to go and travel with you anywhere in the world. Usually I will stuff them into my anti-theft backpack. It's got its own little pocket back here that fits perfectly for there. I can zip that up and then I'm on my way. And if you're looking for an anti-theft backpack, I'll link down to that as well in the description box. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about this setup. Don't forget to give me a like since you've watched this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do that because I make more videos about living better worldwide, and I look forward to seeing you in the next ones. For now, go ahead and check out this video over here to see how to make your QC25s wireless, and check out this video over here to learn more about working online while you travel. And I will see you next time. Peace.